In the last video, we manually opened a database session inside every single endpoint using a with block. While that works, it creates a maintenance nightmare. If we ever want to change how we handle connections, we would have to update every single function. FastAPI solves this with dependency injection. The concept is simple. Don't create dependencies inside your function. Ask for them. First, let's define the dependency. We create a standalone function called getSession. Instead of return, we use the yield keyword. This makes it a generator. The code before the yield opens the session. The code after the yield runs after the request is finished. This finally block is crucial. It guarantees the connection closes even if your endpoint throws an error. Now, let's refactor the endpoints. For the create endpoint, we delete the with block. In the arguments, we simply add a parameter called session and set its default value to depends getSession. Depends is the magic here. It tells FastAPI to run the generator, get the session, and inject it directly into your logic. For the read endpoint, it is just as simple. We declare the session dependency in the arguments and then use it directly to execute our select statement. No context managers required. For update and delete operations, it is the exact same pattern. Notice how the code flattens out? We just ask for the session, check if the player exists, and then commit the changes. We don't need to worry about opening or closing the connection in every single handler. The logic is clean, readable, and focused. This also makes testing incredibly easy. Because the session is injected, we can override it. In our tests, we can use dependency overrides to swap in a mock database without changing a single line of our actual API code. That is the power of dependency injection. If you would like more videos like this, leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss it. Thank you, and see you next time.